Narad's curse. Narad was a holy sage. Once he went into meditation that could not be disturbed by anyone. Due to this, he developed a sense of pride. Since Lord Vishnu was concerned of his devotees' pride, he decided to teach him a lesson. One day Narad saw a princess and fell in love with her. He wished to marry her. Narad went to Lord Vishnu and requested that he looked as good as Vishnu. The princess should select him. Lord Vishnu smiled and decided to play a trick on him. At the Swayamvar, Narad got the face of a monkey without his knowledge. When the princess came with a wedding garland, she saw a monkey-faced man. However, next to him was handsome Lord Vishnu. She immediately chose Vishnu as her husband. When Narad saw his reflection in water, he felt cheated. He then cursed Lord Vishnu that a time would come when he too would have to be separated from his love, and then a monkey would help him to get his love back. It was due to his curse that Lord Vishnu was born as Rama and had to be separated from his wife Sita. Rama meets Hanuman. Rama and Lakshman reached near Pampa Lake at the foot of Risyamukha mountain where the monkey king Sugriva and his ministers were hiding. Sugriva was being persecuted by his brother Bali. When he saw Rama and Lakshman approaching with bows and arrows, he suspected that they might have been sent by Bali to slay him. He sent his faithful Hanuman to find out the facts. If they were sent by Bali, Sugriva would have escaped Risyamukha mountain. Hanuman approached them in the form of a Brahmin. Rama was impressed to see the Brahmin as he had such a wonderful accent and a captivating way of speaking. The Brahmin asked them who they were. After Rama had revealed their identity as Rama and Lakshman, the princes of Ayodhya, and told that they were wandering in search of his wife Sita, Hanuman identified him as his lord and bowed down in respect of him. He was happy beyond all limits to see Lord Rama and his brother Lakshman. Rama picked him up and embraced him. Hanuman came back to his real form. He informed Rama that Sugriva also lived on the mountain and he was Rama's devotee. So they went to meet Sugriva. Bali and Sugriva. Bali was the monkey king of Kishkindha. He had a younger brother named Sugriva. Both brothers had great love and respect for each other. The kingdom of Kishkindha had a demon enemy called Mayavi. Tired of his frequent attacks, Bali decided to kill him. Bali went to Mayavi and a violent fight ensued between them. During their fight, they entered a deep dark cave. Sugriva was ordered by Bali to keep a watch outside till Bali emerged out of the cave. Time passed and the sounds of the roaring fight could be heard by Sugriva. Slowly, the sounds got fainter and finally stopped. After waiting for many days, when neither Bali nor the demon came out, Sugriva thought they had both been killed. Feeling sad about on his brother's death, he went back to Kishkindha and became its new king. However, Bali returned after killing Mayavi. When he saw that Sugriva had become the king himself, he thought that he had been betrayed. Though Sugriva tried to explain the misunderstanding, yet Bali attacked and forced him and his team of monkeys to move out of Kishkindha. Bali regained his kingship but became an enemy of Sugriva forever. Birth of Hanuman. Long time ago, Lord Brahma lived with many attendants. Once he was pleased with her beautiful helper Anjana and decided to reward her. In her reward, Anjana asked to be freed from a curse according to which she would become monkey-faced if she fell in love with someone. The Lord granted her wish and told that she would be freed from the curse if an incarnation of Lord Shiva was born to her. Some days later, Anjana met a monkey-faced man, Kesari. She fell in love with him and they were married. One day, Anjana was worshipping Lord Shiva. Suddenly, wind started blowing fast and some payasam fell into her palms from a bird's beak. It was a sacred payasam offered to King Dashrath by Lord Agni to be fed to his wives to get sons. The bird had snatched a part of it in its beak. Anjana ate the payasam believing it to be the Lord's offering. Due to this, an incarnation of Lord Shiva was born to her as her son Hanuman. She was freed from the curse and returned to heaven after handing her son to Kesari. Hanuman grew up inheriting Lord Vayu's unmatched divine powers. He became a great devotee of Lord Rama.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.